Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am not in my usual location far in front of the home because it's raining. And in Florida in the summertime, you have pretty much like clockwork, almost daily you have pretty bad showers that come through, and then in the evening it's beautiful weather again and nice and sunshiny. But right now I'm in Lake Nona, and I'm going to highlight a community called Isles of Lake Nona. They are located right off of Narcoossee Road, just past Boggy Creek, crossing from St. Cloud into Orlando, Osceola County to Orange County. The builder here in Isles of Lake Nona is Pulte Homes, and I've showed you some of their homes in the past. Some of the models they have here, they have quite a few. I've already shown you in the past, but this one that I'm going to show you right now is called the Whitestone. I haven't showed it to you in the past. This one's roughly around 2,900 square feet, and it's very nice. You're going to see some of the rooms have extra large closets. One of them has a bathroom that is a private bathroom, and it's a nice sized room, nice for guests. And we're in a beautiful front porch. So before we go any further, if you wouldn't mind, help me out by giving a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. I've been getting a lot of ads, a lot of subscriptions, and I really appreciate the support you guys are showing to the channel. I hope you're getting great value. So let's go check it out.